Kanitama Donburi, also known as Tenshinhan, is a fluffy crab omelette served over a bowl of steamed rice and finished with a rich sweet and sour sauce. You'll often find this classic Chinese-influenced dish at Chinese restaurants in Japan, but it's just as easy to make at home. First, we make the sauce. Combine the sauce ingredients in a medium saucepan. Cook over medium-high heat until just before it comes to a boil. In a small bowl, mix the starch and water to make a slurry. Gradually stir it into the hot liquid, stirring constantly, and cook until the sauce thickens. Reduce the heat to low and keep warm. Next, we make the omelette. Cut the green onion diagonally. Beat the eggs. Season with some salt. Then mix in the green onions and crab meat. We make one serving at a time. Heat the oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Pour in the egg mixture and gently stir for a few seconds. And cover with a lid and cook for about a minute until softly set. Do not overcook the eggs. Serve over a bowl of steamed rice. Then pour the sauce over the eggs and rice. The soft, fluffy omelette paired with the sweet and sour sauce is simply irresistible. It's comforting and delicious. We hope you'll try this soon.
美味しい。
美味しいね。